Hi, I'm Jandel S. Mariano. In this video, I share 3 experience as a customer. One that met my expectation and one that exceeded them and one that did not meet them. First, let me start with the foldable hair dryer I bought for only 98 pesos. The promotion in the box said it had a cold air function, but when I checked, there was not even a switch for it. The function was missing completely. At first, I was a bit disappointed, but since it was so cheap and it still worked, it met my basic expectation for the price. Next, we have a Nike Air Jordan shoe. This one really exceeded my expectation. The design was impressive, the comfort was excellent, and the durability was more than I expected. Because of that, my trust in Nike grows stronger and I become more loyal to the brand. I even recommended it to the other because I know the quality is worth it. Finally, I will talk about my most disappointed experience. I bought a Samsung Tab S9 Ultra tablet from Lazada, but not from the official store. The system showed 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which sounded great, but when I tested it, the real specs were only 3 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, which is to view. I felt scam, and from that point on, I decided to only buy from official store and trusted store. Looking back, these 3 experiences really influenced my buying behavior. The cheap hairdryer remind me that low price items often come with limited features. The Nike Air Jordan built trust and loyalty because of its quality, and the fake tablet taught me to be more careful and avoid unofficial seller. Now I think more carefully before buying and only recommended the product I truly trust. To sum it up, the product quality has a big impact on customer satisfaction, loyalty, and buying decision. Good experience build trust while bad one discourage customer. Thank you for watching.